Today we're doing a paper airplane challenge.
Here's what we're gonna do: the distance and the coolest stunt.
That's right, we're gonna go to YouTube and we're gonna see the top 3 paper airplanes that we can make. We're gonna make them, hopefully if we can, if they're not too hard. And we're gonna grade them on distance, ease of making, and stunt. So if one's really hard to make and it flies really far, then I don't know. But we'll see what happens.
And here's how you do a supersonic. If you're competing in the distance, but your throw becomes a supersonic and it goes the farthest, that will count as a supersonic. Whoa, I just did a pull up on the table.
Well, what's with all these new rules? Okay, so here's the top 3. This guy obviously, PPO, has got the top 3, well, the top 2. Okay, we'll do this one, and this one.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to make that one.
Okay.
And then putting the corner like this. Oh.
The blue one is what we were going for. Hold yours up, little dude.
I had a little help from my mom and dad.
Yours is a little longer than mine in the front.
We did ours a little different.
Yeah.
Well, your instructions got kind of confusing there, PPO. Making this one's a little bit more difficult.
I know what your channel name should be. POO.
Don't say that. Jeez, you're brutal. So we got this one now. Does it look the same?
Yep.
This one was easier, so we'll give this one a higher grade on the ease of construction. Okay?
Okay, now let's do the fly forever one.
Uh-oh!
We've had a little bike crash accident.
Were you doing wheelies?
Yeah.
Yeah. I knew you were working on your wheelies. Good thing you're wearing your helmet, huh?
That is good. You could have hurt your head.
Hey, wait. Is your makeup running? Oh no. Is that waterproof makeup?
No.
Oh.
Drink break. While Dad does all the work.
Oh, it's so hard.
Ah, breakfast!
Fly forever. But it looks a little different. Maybe you see that.
Okay, now
We're gonna fly forever.
let me name this one since you got to name those two, so I get to name two.
I feel the need for speed. First, we're gonna do Super Kid, and we're gonna do Iceman. Ice and Super Kid.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, here go Mark with Super Kid landed. Iron Eagle.
Ooh, the wind gave it a little bit of a benefit.
Okay, now we got Mario Lightning. Let's see how far this puppy can go.
Oh.
The second distance is Mario Lightning, but Mario Lightning was difficult to make, so Mario Lightning loses a point. Iron Eagle right here. Super Kid was right here. Okay, let me see Iron Eagle. Iron Eagle was actually the easiest to make. Ease of use and distance, Iceman, number 1. Iron Eagle for distance and ease of making, that was the easiest one, is number 2. Super Kid, number 3. Distance and ease of use and difficulty and distance is Mario, number 4.
Mario Lightning, actually. So I was third, so I get the bronze trophy or medal. Iceman gets the gold medal. Mario Lightning is kicked out. That's what he gets for being the baddest one to make. and the second one to be the best at going far. Iceman got super far, and he was like not very hard to make, so he wins. Number 2 was Iron Eagle, I think. Iron Eagle went here, and he was a little hard to make. There you go, the 3 top airplanes on YouTube. Bye-bye. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to ring that bell and subscribe. We upload every Saturday. So we upload 1 video a week, and it's on Saturday.